Mechanism of fatigue assignment help. For any assignment-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at support@solidworksimenthelp.com or reach us at https://www.solidworksassignmenthelp.com. For any assignment-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at support@solidworksimenthelp.com or reach us at https://www.solidworksassignmenthelp.com. 1. Problem 9.72, Problem 9.83, Problem 9.94, Problem 11.55. The critical crack tip opening displacement of a particular cracked configuration was found to be 0.2 mm. The yield strength of the material is 450 MPa. The critical value for the J integral was computed to be 85,000 J/m2. The elastic modulus of the material is 70 GPa and its Poisson ratio is 0.3. What are the minimum specimen size requirements for a valid plane strain fracture toughness test for KIC and for JIC? SolidworksAssignmentHelp.com. 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 SolidworksAssignmentHelp.com.